Have you ever unlocked your Galaxy phone and felt like it suddenly became brand new overnight? Faster, smoother, smarter, and packed with features you didn't even know you were missing. Well, that's exactly what Samsung's One UI 8 update delivers. And trust me, this isn't just a small cosmetic change. It's one of the most ambitious updates Samsung has ever rolled out, and it sets the tone for how smartphones are going to feel in 2025 and beyond. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Insights so that you can get notified on daily tech updates. Now, let's dive straight in, because there's a lot you need to know about One UI 8, and some of these new features are going to surprise you. The first thing you'll notice right after installing the update is the speed. Animations are smoother, transitions feel more fluid, and apps just glide open and shut like butter. Samsung has fine-tuned the software to make every swipe, tap, and gesture feel effortless. In fact, if you've used One UI 7 before, the difference is almost night and day. Opening apps doesn't just look smoother. It actually feels like your phone is working faster than before. And that's not just an illusion. Under the hood, Samsung has optimized memory management and background processes, making multitasking more efficient. So whether you're playing a heavy game, editing videos, or juggling multiple apps, your device stays responsive. But performance is just one part of the story. One UI 8 introduces a whole wave of Galaxy AI upgrades. For example, the real-time audio eraser is a game changer. Imagine you're recording a video or playing back a clip, but the background noise, cars honking, people talking, wind blowing, is ruining the moment. With One UI 8, you can erase that noise in real time, leaving only the voices you actually want to hear. It's like carrying around a portable audio studio in your pocket. Pair this with the new dialogue enhancer, and watching videos or calls becomes crystal clear, even in noisy environments. Speaking of calls, Samsung has made conversations more accessible with improved call captions. Now, when you're on a call, everything the other person says can appear as live captions on your screen. This isn't just helpful in loud places, it's a huge step for accessibility. Combine that with a redesigned calling screen, and keeping track of conversations feels more natural than ever. Now let's talk about customization, because Samsung knows we love to make our phones feel personal. One UI 8 brings dynamic wallpapers, which shift colors and brightness depending on the time of day. Morning wallpapers feel brighter and fresher, while at night your phone naturally dims into a more calming look. It feels alive, almost like your phone is syncing with your daily rhythm. And that's not all. The lock screen has been updated with adaptive clocks that change their style to complement your wallpaper, giving your device a sleek, always fresh vibe. Multitasking also gets a big upgrade. Split screen has always been a Galaxy strength, but One UI 8 pushes it even further. You can now resize apps more freely, letting one take up nearly the whole display while the other hangs in a smaller, minimized window. Perfect for streaming a video while replying to messages, or keeping notes open while browsing. And if you're a heavy Samsung Dex user, you'll love that One UI 8 adds widget support directly on your desktop. Yes, you can now use widgets in Dex, making your external monitor experience closer to a real PC setup. But let's not forget the productivity tools. The Samsung Notes app now features sticky notes, allowing you to annotate documents, highlight important ideas, and even color code reminders. It's like having a digital post-it board built right into your device. And the Reminders app has been redesigned too, making it cleaner and more intuitive to navigate. Photography lovers aren't left out either. One UI 8 introduces a portrait studio for pets, letting you turn your cat or dog's photo into artistic masterpieces. Everything from 3D cartoon styles to oil paintings. It's fun, creative, and surprisingly addictive. On top of that, the camera UI has been refined with quicker access gestures and smoother transitions between modes. Samsung clearly wants you to spend less time fiddling with settings and more time capturing memories. Another subtle but powerful feature is in the My Files app. You can now filter downloaded files by the apps that created them. This means no more digging through endless, recent files lists. You can instantly see where a file came from, making file management smarter and less stressful. And if you're someone who stores sensitive data, the Secure folder just got a serious upgrade. You can now pause background activities while the folder is locked, ensuring that your private apps don't send or receive data when you're not actively using them. Encryption is also now default, meaning your hidden apps and files are more protected than ever. Health and wellness also take center stage. With a Galaxy Watch 8, One UI 8 unlocks new Samsung health features, including antioxidant index tracking and vascular load monitoring during sleep. These features bring deeper health insights and align Samsung with the growing trend of personalized health data. And even if you don't use a watch, you'll notice improvements in the Weather app, which now has a more realistic and modern design. All of these updates point to one thing: Samsung is no longer just tweaking its UI, it's creating an ecosystem where every detail, from performance to design to AI, works in harmony. And what's even more exciting is how fast One UI 8 is rolling out. Unlike past updates where mid-range users had to wait months, this time Samsung is pushing updates to both flagship and mid-range devices almost simultaneously. That means even if you're rocking a Galaxy A series, you won't be left behind. Now here's where it gets really interesting. While millions of users are just getting their hands on One UI 8, Samsung has already started testing One UI 8.5 in the background. This is unprecedented, rolling out one massive update while preparing the next one almost immediately. It shows how serious Samsung is about keeping its ecosystem ahead of the curve. If rumors hold true, One UI 8.5 will bring even deeper AI integration and additional features that tie directly into the Galaxy S26 launch next year. So what's the bottom line? One UI 8 isn't just another update, it's Samsung rewriting the rules of Android updates. Faster rollout, smarter AI, deeper customization, and better performance across the board. If you're holding a Galaxy device, your phone is about to feel brand new again, no matter which model you own. And with One UI 8.5 already on the horizon, the future looks even brighter for Galaxy fans. That's all for today's deep dive into One UI 8. Which feature are you most excited about? Is it the noise eraser, the new customization tools, or maybe the improved secure folder? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And of course, subscribe to Tech Insights so you don't miss any of our daily tech updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.